Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update and we want to close above the 1.14, a very critical moment for MATIC. We will discuss everything with every detail. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated selling and buying opportunity signals. You will get, guys, you will know actually when to buy and when to sell your altcoins exactly on time. This is something revolutionary. You will also get educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and of course you will get personal guidance. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more, and you can go to the buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You will find the link in the description down below, and you can join the Telegram group chat as well. Link is in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe because it helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you all for the support, and let's go quickly to the technical analysis. Right now you can see that we are almost above the 1.13. We want to go even higher for now, and you can see that we almost closed above the 1.14. Actually we were on 1.14, and now we want to see whether we can break, eventually we can break this triple top right here and go even higher to the 1.17 around there and the 1.25. Okay, we have some support levels in case something goes wrong, the 1 Tether USD and the 94 cents. Okay, so eventually let's see a little bit the MACD. The MACD looks good after a bearish cross right there. We are now going all the way upwards. We want to see if we can go even higher for the MATIC network, and of course we want to see whether we can break and go even higher, guys. I believe that MATIC can do it, and let's see some important things right there. Let's go to the volume. The volume is decreasing, though we don't have the necessary volume needed to go even higher, although most of the times, guys, and many times we don't need the volume. Some people think that the volume is the whole world, while the volume helps us to identify some tops, some bottoms, but it is not necessary. We have the low volume not to go upwards. Okay, it's not necessary that we have low volume. This will mean that we drop down. It is not that actually doesn't happen all the time. Okay, so we can go now to the MATIC USDT on the RSI, Commodity Index, and the stochastic RSI. You can see that we have the RSI almost in an overbought situation right here. 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an overbought situation, and we want to see whether we can go even higher above the 70 for the RSI. And of course, if we can do that, then this will be very good for MATIC. This will mean that we can go even higher. I'm just curious to see if we can do it, guys. I hope that we can surpass and go finally to the 1.17 and maybe the 1.25, 26. We will see about that. We have an overbought situation though on many altcoins, and let's go right on many risk metrics, and let's go right now to the MATIC USDT on the daily frame. You can see that we have a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid. Yes, we have a buying opportunity. We had a buying opportunity here. We had a shorter position there, and now we have a buying opportunity again. This is very good for the MATIC network on the daily frame. Let's see a bit the candlesticks right here. They are looking bullish. They are looking pretty bullish, but you have to be careful though, because on the daily frame we are going into an overbought situation. We actually went into an overbought situation with the commodity channel index. With the RSI we are not yet, so I would really love to see going above the 70 before we cross down any other before we go down, guys. I would love to see RSI climbing up above the 70, because then this would mean that we will be going even higher to the 1.25. Why not, guys? Even higher. Okay, this will mean that we can go parabolic, we can go again in an impulsive wave. I really hope that it can do that, but right now we don't have an impulsive wave, of course, for MATIC. Okay, so right now you can see the stochastic RSI is in an overbought again. The MACD is looking good, although I would love to see the blue line going above way more and getting some further distance from the signal line, the orange line right there. Okay, we are looking good though. We had the bullish cross right there back on 22nd July, and now we're going all the way upwards from then. Okay, So let's go now to MATIC Bitcoin chart. The reason we didn't grow up, the reason we couldn't go upwards, and that's what I like right now. We had finally a bullish candle. That's why we could go upwards. You can know, guys, you should see that we were in an oversold situation right here, extremely oversold situation for MATIC Bitcoin. But the reason we couldn't go upwards is the MATIC Bitcoin chart. You can see that the MATIC Bitcoin chart was falling apart, and MATIC couldn't outperform Bitcoin. And though we had this here, the price situation for MATIC in the USDT valuation, and we couldn't go above the 1.14. Finally, we had a bullish candle right there, but we need to go even higher, guys. This is not something that we should be proud of, because right now, if I draw the Fibonacci retracement from this top right here to the bottom to identify some major resistance levels on the short term, we need to go above the 0.786, which is the 0.4026. We get this price label because we divide MATIC's price to Bitcoin's price. That's why we get this price label right here, and you can see that we need to go even higher. This is not enough. We don't want this for MATIC Bitcoin. We want to see MATIC outperforming Bitcoin again and going even higher. This will help us to see MATIC at the 1.25 easily. Okay, so we had an extreme oversold situation with the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index being in an oversold situation. The RSI was not, but however, we always check the stochastic RSI first, the commodity channel index, of course, and afterwards the RSI, because if we were about to just see the RSI going up below 30, then we would wait forever. But we had an oversold situation with a 2 out of 3 risk metrics right there. So let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we had the bearish cross right here, and we can't seem to have and to go above the 20-day MA. Look at this, the 20-day MA has become the resistance level, and what we hope for is maybe if we see a very nice huge impulsive wave right here for MATIC Bitcoin again on the daily frame, and not to fall down all the way. Okay, so we need to see a price action right there. We need to see MATIC going upwards. On the daily frame, guys, we don't have any overbought situation. Instead, we can go even higher, we can grow even higher. We just need to see the commodity channel index going upwards, the RSI going above these prices right here, guys, around 43. We need to see the RSI be able to go above and not to form a reversal head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder, and then we might fall down. Okay, so let's go to the price analysis right now, and you can see that we want to approach the 1.17 around there, a little bit lower, that is 1.17 to 1.175, and of course the 1.25, which we are so eager, we are patiently waiting to reapproach again. A very critical moment as we are trying to go all the way up to the 1.17, and if we can do that, guys, then of course we have a very strong resistance level, but then we will be optimistic that we can go even higher. You can see on the RSI on the daily we haven't closed yet above the 1.13 around there, and you can see we even approach the 1.15 on the daily frame, and of course on the 4-hour frame the same happens. But on the daily we want to close above, we want to close above this price line right here, 1.134. okay, we need to close above, and of course that's what we hope for MATIC. Bitcoin right now is flirting with the 44,000 Tether USD again and wants to go above. I've made a video about Bitcoin, you can check it out, guys. It is the previous video of this MATIC video right there. Okay, so I've made a video about explaining why we should be a little bit careful on the daily frame for the bearish RSI divergence, and the next price target is the 47. Of course, if we go to the 47k, then yes, MATIC can easily approach the 1.17, 1.25, because now MATIC Bitcoin chart isn't in an overbought situation, and of course we can grow furthermore. And what we hope for is maybe if we can grow fast and go even higher for now for MATIC. If this is the start of an outperformance for MATIC Bitcoin chart, then this will mean that we can easily go even higher, okay, to the 1.17 and the 1.25. The only problem there, and you should minimize the risk with, is the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin has a crash, then it will just get down all the altcoins, including MATIC, except if it goes in an impulsive wave for MATIC against Bitcoin. If this happens, guys, then yes, I think we should be able to go to the 1.25 even without the help of Bitcoin. But if it doesn't, guys, then I believe we will crash down too. So if you have any profits, book them. It's not too early to book some profits right now. Just book some profits in case we just go downwards. At the other point of view, you can just have some portion left on your portfolio, around 30%. Not a financial advice, guys, but you can have around 30% on your portfolio of MATIC in case we just go even higher. And of course, guys, it looks good to go to the 1.17. After the 1.17, I will be making another video if we can reach the 1.25. I really hope MATIC will start outperform Bitcoin and of course go even higher in the USDT valuation, okay? So thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription to know exactly when to buy and when to sell your altcoins, and of course get personal guidance and educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis. And of course you can join our Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.